na, like, Konya, diba?
Okay, let's talk
Like,
about it.
what did you do ba last night? Like, kunwari, hindi tayo as parang ikaw yung may sipon. Go. What did you guys do ba last night? Kasi, Jo, what did you do?
I just rest.
Paano yan?
Well,
Go sa Jo.
I just watched a movie. A series drama. I just watched a movie.
I really want to go out talaga, right? We really want to go out talaga. Me and Neka.
Neka.
Gonna go to Arch? What did you do?
Punta ako sa, like, here. Like, here in this hotel with you guys, right? And like,
but when I got here, you got
sleeping beauty ka dyan.
Jo gising.
Antok na. Antok na.
Loko ba ang Ikaw, Mix, galing.
Ayoko. Wala talaga. Wala makakapilit sa akin magkuha dyan.
Kaya po ba ako? Nice to meet you po.
Ayoko na.
Mika, baka umiiyak ka na, Mika. Tawa ng tawa dito.
Ayoko na mag-uwi. Oo nga, mag-uwi ka na.
Ooh, girl.
Ang cute!
Bebente na ako, Basta ako yun. Mga kalain nyo, bata ba ako? Bebente na po ako,
Di ba, hindi na nag-iba yung mukha mo. Ganun pa rin.
Normal yan, Jo? Normal yan, Jo?
Wait, antok ko po. Tulog ka na. My current favorite song. I've been listening to...
You've been listening to what?
To Nights of December. Right now? Yeah, and also Kahit Na Kahit Pa.
Ako kahit na masakit na kanta po. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko may someday na lang. Someday, someone's gonna love me. Someday, I'll fall into the